Stampers, it's Judy Klock at Stamp with Crafty Klock. I hope you enjoy this next set of videos that we made for our Homemade Holidays week. We hope that you enjoy these videos and will make some of these projects with your family and friends this year to create some new holiday memories. You ready? Let's go. Hey Stampers, it's Judy Klock here at Stamping with Crafty Klock, and I am here for day 5 of our Homemade Holidays. Today's project is going to be this beautiful little gift bag that you can make right from our 12 by 12 designer series paper. Now this was a video that I saw by Rhonda Wade, and I really liked it, and I thought that I would share this with you because we always need gift bags, whether it's for Christmas, birthdays, anniversaries, get well, or just a little hostess present. We always need a good gift bag. And this is a great, quick, and easy gift bag to have. Like I said, it's made with our 12 by 12 designer series paper. So with each package, you can get 6 gift bags. And it's like less than $2 a gift bag, which, you know, if you went out to buy this in Hallmark, you'd be paying way more than $2 for this gift bag. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have 2 sheets of this great designer series paper. This is our Poinsettia Place designer series paper, and I love this paper. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to score both of these. I'm going to score this one at 3 inches and 9 inches. And I'm going to flip it. And again, I'm going to score it at 3 inches and 11 inches. Okay. Now we have our bag. We have our first sheet scored. I'm going to do the same thing on this sheet. I'm going to score it at 3 inches, at 9 inches. I'm going to flip it, and I'm going to score it at 3 inches and 11 inches. That's it. How simple was that? Now we're ready to get and put our bag together. Let me move my scoring tool out of the way. I am going to grab my bone folder, and first I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go and just kind of fold all of these along those score lines. Make sure I get a nice crisp edge on it. And all we're going to do is use our bone folder and our paper snips. And these are 2 essential tools to have in any crafter's stash. So if you don't have our paper snips and our bone folders, I highly, highly, highly recommend that you get them because you will use them over and over again. So we have our first sheet all folded. Let's bring in our second sheet. I love how we get to see both sides of the designer series paper. I always love both sides of the paper, and it always breaks my heart when one side is hidden. But with this little gift bag, you'll get to see both sides of it. And I'm in my basement studio and it's freezing down here. So of course I have my Stampin' Up sweatshirt on. All right, now we've got that all folded. We're going to take this 1-inch flap here and we're going to put a little of our Stampin' Seal Plus. And I'm using the Plus because you want to use a really strong adhesive to make sure this bag holds together. And I'm going to do the same thing on this one. Now, some of you might be thinking, oh my gosh, that's a lot of adhesive. It is, you know, but you can buy our refills. They're not that expensive. And you want something so that the bag doesn't fall apart. Okay, now I'm going to take my paper snips and I'm going to cut the score line from the edge of the paper up to the next 3-inch score line. And I'm just going to do that. I'm creating the little flaps for our bag. And I'm going to do that on each piece. I told you this was going to go together so quickly and so easily. Okay. Now, I'm going to fold this one over. This is going to be the inside of my bag. And I'm going to put some Stampin' Seal here. And I'm going to fold up these flaps, making sure I'm keeping the edges even. That's real important. You don't want to kind of go a little too far over. You want to make sure those edges are even. Easier said than done sometimes, for sure. Okay, there we go. And now let's do this one. Sometimes it helps if you just kind of refold that crease. Okay, and I forgot, I wanted to put Stampin' Seal along these edges. I knew I was going to forget to do this. That's going to hold our bag together. And it would have been so much easier if I had done this while it was laying flat, but I didn't. So I'm trying to do this. You can see it. I'm just going to put some Stampin' Seal here and here. And that's what's going to hold our bag together. And then I'm going to put some along the bottom. Not a lot, but just put some along the bottom to hold the bottom of our bag together. Okay, we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to flip it so our inside is this way. I'm just going to, again, put some Stampin' Seal Plus. And I'm going to, again, fold these over, keeping my edges even. Just like that. And now, if I have done this correctly, which I really hope I have, we can take this, and this one will slide right into this one. And now I just gently press the two together. Oh boy. Now where these seams are, that will be the back of our bag. And look at that. Look at how giant this bag is. That's a really big bag. You're going to be able to fit a lot of stuff in here, and it's going to be sturdy. I'm just going to put my hand in there to make sure I get that glue down. And now, if you want, you can go ahead and you can punch little holes in here and add some ribbon for handles like I did on this one. If you want to do that, you can just leave it as is and then just put your gifts in here and put the tissue paper on. How quick and easy was that gift bag? That's it for day 5 of Homemade Holidays. I hope you'll tune in tomorrow when Vicki has another great project for us. See you all tomorrow. Bye.